Hi, today I'm going to show you how to put together the decorative heart bag from Simply Crafty SVGs, which is a free file. And first, after we cut out the bag portion, which I did out of scrapbook paper, so it's a little bit more fragile, we'll score on the folds. As you can see, the sides will be folded in, so I didn't fold this one yet. So I kind of fold it out and then kind of fold it in gently. It just takes a little bit of finesse. And try to score those little, there's like a little triangle at the bottom. Once it comes together, that will all fold better. But do be careful if you use scrapbook paper because it can tear easily. So we're going to go ahead and we want to put together the hearts, which is just the cutout panel on the solid panel. If you do like these videos, I would appreciate a like and or subscribe if you haven't already done so. We truly appreciate it. So when you do glue this top panel, I do around the edge and then just kind of dot in between with my fine tip applicator. Sorry about that. I had a little bit of issues with my focus. And then once you get both of those glued, let's go ahead and just line them up to that top edge. So the top of the heart lines up to the top of the bag that's shaped similarly. And it fits perfect, so the bottom tip goes to the bottom of the bag. So it shouldn't go beyond it. So you just line it up and glue it down. Again, if you're using a thin paper like I did for the bag, because paper tends to fold better than thick cardstock for bags. Just be careful with your glue. You can always use other adhesives. So on the side, we're going to glue this side tab. And I'm really light with the glue because of the paper being so thin for me. And then you'll have to, like, carefully, what I do is make sure I line up the bottom edge where the fold is for the bottom of the bag is, and then line up that edge to the tab fold. You can see what it looks like there. And then we're going to just fold in one of those big, you could do this differently, but this is how I did it. I folded one of the large pieces in, and then I fold the other large piece across from that. And I don't mind seeing the little tabs on the bottom. So you can go ahead and once you do that, fold in those tabs. You could always add glue at the same time too, but I fold in those tabs and I'm using my little pick-me-up tool to, just as a tool to apply pressure. You could use any blunt instrument to do that. Then I flip over the small tabs, just glue those and do the same. Just a real quick project. And then you can add a little goodies to it. They're really fast to make. And so if you have something quick you need to make for work or for families or for kids for Valentine's Day, this is a really quick project. And then I just kind of fold it so it folds like a bag. And you could always add a temporary adhesive on the top to close it. Or add a little glue dot or something like that. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I thank you for watching.